Well, fish we're catching today are brookies, so before everybody gets excited because I'm keeping them, if they swallow it, they're going to die anyway, so we keep them. Anything we can release that we know will survive, I can go back. And so usually by the end of the day, we might have, half a limit because I don't want to keep them, but I don't want to throw them back and let them die. So if they swallow it, I take them home. The reason to throw them back is to die, not to use. So far that's the smallest of the day. It's not even probably an inch. You eat. What do you think, Butch? Think, Bud? You been giving kisses? Good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. And I just tie it off to my belt so when I get to where we stop at, throw them in like that and I can fish. Good little guy, like 8 or so for the day.